Entire families have been left homeless in Gambia's west coast region after an overnight windstorm leveled scores of houses and claimed at least 10 lives. The heavy rains, winds and flooding also damaged utility infrastructure, leaving many coastal urban areas without electricity or running water. More than 1,500 people are now displaced.
I greet all the members of the Village Development Committee. I would like to inform you that there was a windstorm incident here yesterday and it caused a lot of destruction to the village. I have taken it upon myself to conduct some survey about the happening. While some people's houses entirely unroofed, some get theirs collapsed. The office of our groundnut selling center is not also spared as its roof has been completely removed and thrown away. 2 donkeys and 2 sheep also died. Some people had their roofs collapse on top of them.
ومن ستر مسلما ستره الله في الدنيا والآخرة والله في عون العبد ما كان العبد في عون أخيه. أخرجه مسلم.
The Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whoever shields a Muslim, Allah will shield him in this world and the hereafter, and Allah will aid his slave so long as he aids his brother." So, brothers and sisters in Islam, let's help and support an AL-AOUNU foundation by donating massively in order for them to be able to help the less privileged who has been affected by this disaster in the Gambia, in order for them to have a home where they can also sleep. Please, you can support by donating through our PayPal account, or you can WhatsApp us through our WhatsApp number. You can find it below in the video you are watching currently. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.